Yeah, I'm just about to screw this. Yeah, because all this were made out of, recycled plywood. But the plywood that I have is a very good plywood. It's had aluminium finish on it, on the top here. It's finished with aluminium. That's why all the chips are here shining. Yeah, look like this. It's an aluminium plate, but this one is painted, but the aluminium is here. If you look at it, you see the edge here. You see, I don't know if I can focus this. This is a aluminium plate here, a very thin aluminium, and it makes it to be more robust. And we'll give thanks. Yeah, read, and study, research, and you build it for yourself. Yeah, some of these tools, when you can't buy it, you build it for yourself. Do it yourself. Yeah, try to buy some materials, small tools, the grinder, the router, etc., etc. Earlier the first, give thanks. Yeah, see you.